Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add or change your bio in the Upscrolled app. So if you want to personalize your profile and let your followers know more about you, follow along step by step. All right, let's dive in. First, open the Upscrolled app on your phone. At the bottom right, tap the profile icon to go to your profile page. Next, look at the top and tap Edit Profile. Here you'll see the option for Bio. Tap it to start editing. Now, type in whatever you want your bio to say. Once you're happy with it, tap the check mark to save and confirm by tapping it again. And just like that, your bio has been successfully added or updated. This is a great way to make your profile more personal and engaging. And that's it. Switching themes in Upscrolled is that simple. If you found this quick guide helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more easy tutorials like this.